ठीक है जी, कोई मुश्किल सवाल नहीं होगा, आसान सवाल होंगे। पहला का सवाल राउटर आईडी क्या होती है, हर एक बंदे से पूछूंगा जितने बैठे हुए हैं। राउटर आईडी, बैठे बैठे आवाज थोड़ी तेज के रिकॉर्ड हो। यूनिक आईडी विच इज यूज्ड बाय ओएसपीएफ, वेरी गुड। अगला बंदा, और एक्सप्लेन करो इस बात को, एक्सप्लेन राउटर आईडी मोर। इसने एक बात बताई, बैठे बैठे यार, खड़े क्यों होना है। गलत डिफरेंस। अगला बंदा, यू आर कंपेयरिंग रॉन्ग थिंग्स। सी, इफ आई एम सेइंग यू आर रॉन्ग, it doesn't mean you are saying wrong words. It means you are comparing wrong things. You cannot compare AS number with router ID. This thing is clear? According to you, there is a concept of AS number in EIGRP, there is a concept of router ID in OSPF, but there is no connection between these two things. Fine? Yeah. Question for you. Why we need router ID in OSPF, not in EIGRP? हिंदी में भी बता सकते हो, कोई इश्यू नहीं है। नाम आपका? प्रदीप। प्रदीप याद रखिए, अगली बार क्वेश्चन का जवाब देना है। पीछे वाला बंदा। हाँ बिल्कुल नहीं करते। क्वेश्चन वैलिड है, कल डिस्कस किया था। नाम आपका? मीत। अगली बार इस क्वेश्चन का जवाब पता हो। देखो, आपने मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछा, मुझे अब नहीं आता, इट्स फाइन। मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूं, मैं आपकी बात नहीं कर रहा। मुझे अब नहीं आता, इट्स फाइन, बट व्हेन नेक्स्ट टाइम समवन आस्क्स मी द सेम क्वेश्चन, आई मस्ट नो दैट थिंग, अदरवाइज आई विल बी अ फकिंग इडियट। यस, तो तुम क्या होगे सोच लेना। फाइन। अगला बंदा भाई। हाँ जी, आगल है क्या? टेल मी सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लिंक स्टेट राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल्स। वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन। वेरी गुड। 3 टेबल होती हैं, पहली, दूसरी, तीसरी। अच्छा, हाँ भाई आगे। क्वेश्चन दोबारा सुन। व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ लिंक स्टेट राउटिंग प्रोटोकॉल्स? नाम भाई, नाम। अरे भाई, लड़की भी बता देती तीसरी बारी में तो। अभी रवि। रवि गलत बात है। क्या कर रहे थे भाई कल तुम तीनों? प्रदीप, मीत और रवि पढ़े थे घर जाके? पक्का सच बोल रहा है? फिर जवाब क्यों नहीं दिया? EIGRP नहीं पढ़ा? तो मैंने कल रीजन बताया था कि EIGRP में राउटर आईडी क्यों नहीं चाहिए होती और OSPF में क्यों चाहिए होती है। सुन, अब इन केस ऑफ OSPF हर राउटर क्या बनाएगा? अपना डेटाबेस। उस डेटाबेस को किससे आइडेंटिफाई करेगा? अपनी राउटर आईडी से। क्योंकि इन OSPF देयर इज अ केस। केस क्या है? इन अ डोमेन, एक डोमेन में जितने भी राउटर होंगे, अगर हम सारे राउटर एक डोमेन में हैं, हम सबके पास सेम डेटाबेस होगा। क्या होगा? और हम अपने डेटाबेस को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे? राउटर आईडी। बट अगर मैं कहूं हम सब सेम डोमेन में एंड वी आर अ पार्ट ऑफ EIGRP, हम किसके पार्ट हैं? EIGRP के। तो मेरे पास डेटाबेस तो सारा होगा, लेकिन मैं जानता सिर्फ किसको हूंगा? अपने नेबर को। मेरे को उसके बाद के राउटर्स की कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं होगी, क्योंकि EIGRP चलता है किस कंसेप्ट पे? नेक्स्ट हॉप के कंसेप्ट पे। और OSPF में क्या होता है? मेरे पास सारा डेटाबेस आता है और मैं फिर क्या निकालता हूं? नेक्स्ट हॉप। कल बताया था ना, डेटाबेस में बताया था ना कैसे कैलकुलेट होता है। हाँ जी, अगला बंदा। नाम आपका? विवेक। विवेक, क्वेश्चन आसान पूछो मुश्किल पूछो? यार आपसे कोई कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा तो जवाब दो उसका। आसान पूछते हैं चलते क्वेश्चन। टाइप 2 LSA क्यों बनाया गया? आसान है। उस भाई को बुलाइयो। हाँ जी, कपड़े उतार लूँगा यहीं सारे। क्या बात बोल रहा है, सोच के बोल। पता है? भूल गया? पढ़ा नहीं घर जाके कल? उनसे पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, जो कल नहीं आया था उससे पूछूंगा ही नहीं क्वेश्चन, उसने एक दिन अपने आप मिस कर दिया। हाँ जी, आप बताओ, आपसे पीछे वाला बंदा लाइन में चल रहा है ना यार, अपना नंबर याद रखो। गलत बात है। यस ब्रो, शुड आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन? यस, व्हाई वी नीड टाइप 2 एलएसए, व्हाट्स द नीड? वेरी गुड, बहुत सही आंसर दिया इसने। इफ वी हैव अ बंच ऑफ राउटर कनेक्टेड ऑन अ मल्टी एक्सेस सेगमेंट, so in type 1 LSA I have to keep information of every neighbor reachable from that particular interface. So to solve this problem I come up with a new type of LSA that is called type 2. आप आए थे कल? आप नहीं आए थे कल, आप दोनों नहीं आए थे, क्वेश्चन आपका फाइन। What is the information in type 1 LSA? Information in type 1 LSA, जैसे मर्जी यार। गुड, नेटवर्क, राउटर आईडी, कॉस्ट, वेरी गुड। वन मोर, अभी बताया। अभी बताया एक, नंबर ऑफ नेबर रीचेबल फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर इंटरफेस। यस, फिफ्थ वन, इंटरफेस आईपी, वेरी गुड। आपका क्वेश्चन, नेबर स्टेट्स ऑफ ओएसपीए, ऑफ ओएसपीए, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन। ओके, टेल मी द स्टेट इन विच नेबरशिप विल फॉर्म। वेरी गुड, ओके। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डाउन स्टेट? नहीं पता? डाउन स्टेट, वेरी गुड यार। व्हेन वी हैव enabled OSPF on the interface and interface is not active, that state is called down state. वेरी गुड। आपका क्वेश्चन, आसान पूछे मुश्किल? प्रोटोकॉल नंबर फॉर OSPF 89। OSPF वर्क्स एट विच लेयर? अरे वाह, आता है आपको तो। सबसे आसान क्वेश्चन आपका, अगली बार मुश्किल होगा। आपका क्वेश्चन, हाउ OSPF कैलकुलेट मीट्रिक? How OSPF calculates metric? What is the formula? What is 10 to power 8? क्वेश्चन किसका था? very some properties of link state routing protocols. Very good. हर राउटर का डेटाबेस पूरी टोपोलॉजी में सेम होता है हर राउटर के पास। राउटर आईडी के थ्रू करता है, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट आप बताओ। क्वेश्चन चेंज एमटीयू किस स्टेट में चेक होता है? कल आए थे ना? एमटीयू किस स्टेट में चेक होता है? नहीं पता? कितने लोगों ने आंसर दिया? हाथ खड़ा करो। आपने भी दिया? नहीं दिया? बाकी लोग सिर्फ ये सोचो आप आंसर क्यों नहीं दे पाए। पढ़ा था नहीं पढ़ा था, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग। व्हाई यू आर नॉट एबल टू गिव द आंसर। आप भी पढ़ के गए, आप भी पढ़ के गए, दोनों पढ़ के गए इंटरव्यू में, एक आंसर नहीं दे पाया, तो पढ़ाई की कोई गलती? तो क्या देना सीखना है? आंसर। स्टेट एक्सटार्ट, स्टेट इज एक्सटार्ट। मैंने आपको कल भी एक बात कही थी, मैं यहाँ पढ़ा रहा हूँ, मेरे से 50 क्वेश्चन पूछो, मैं कभी क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, मैं वैसा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा ही नहीं जिसके बारे में आपको बताना हो। मैं क्वेश्चन वही पूछूंगा जिसके बारे में आपको, मैं ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ के करूंगा ही क्या? जस्ट टेल मी द थिंग। वो मेरे को अपनी सिरदर्दी बढ़ाना नहीं हो जाएगा। आप जाके 4 लोगों से भी पूछोगे, फिर 4 लोग किसके पास आएंगे घूम के? सर आपने पूछा था, बताना जरा। मैं तो ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा जो मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा। ठीक है जी। आज स्टार्ट करूंगा मैं टाइप 2 एलएसए से दोबारा, नॉट फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग बट फ्रॉम वेयर आई लेफ्ट। दिया, यस क्वेश्चन। हाँ गाइस, कंसेप्ट R1 R2। अरे सुन तो लो। नाउ सी, there are 2 things actually. Every distance vector routing protocols has 2 properties for preventing loops. One is split horizon and second is route poisoning. Second is poisoning. What are these 2 properties? Just try to understand them now. Whenever R1 will send an update to R2, and if split horizon is on, R2 will never forward the same update to R1. So in first case, if I disable split horizon, what will happen? See, there is a condition called feasibility condition. This thing is clear. Now, this network is X. FD is, let's say, 10. RD is 0. Here, let's say, metric is 20. When this network will reach this network, FD will be 30. RD will be. Any problem? You disable split horizon here. You disable. What will happen? R2 will again give the update to R1. For R1, RD will be 30. RD is greater than my FD. This route is never considered. This route is never clear. So if you disable split horizon also, R2 will send an update back to R1, but there will be no effect because of feasibility condition. This thing is clear. Now, second thing, what is route poisoning? What is route poisoning? Means R1, R2. R1 is having a network here. Fine. This network goes down. How R1 will tell R2 that this network is down? What R1 will do? Whenever R1 will send an update for this network and this network is down, it will mark its metric as infinity. So what R2 will get to know? This network is no more present. This network is no more present. Destination unreachable. This thing is clear? Any issues? एक आधा कप ब्लैक कॉफी, आधा कप, ठीक है जी? Any problem? So if you disable split horizon also, there will be no loops. Concept is clear. Why? Because of feasibility condition. Feasibility condition क्या थी? If we disable split horizon also, there will be no loops because of feasibility condition. This thing is clear? Any issues? No. Now guys, yesterday we discussed about type 2 LSA, if you remember. So on point to point links, there will be no type 2 LSA. Why? Because only one neighbor is there, reachable from a particular link. सिर्फ मैं इस लिंक को यूज करके कितने नेबर तक पहुंच सकता हूं? एक. So I can place this information in my type 1 LSA. Clear? Now second thing, type 2 LSA is present in which network type? In which network type? Broadcast. In which network type? Broadcast. Now yesterday we discussed one thing, R1 4. How many routers are there? 4. Today I have to start with the concept how DR is elected, how BDR is elected. Yesterday I told you about DR and BDR. Why we have DR and BDR. Clear? Now listen to me carefully. On the router on which you enable OSPF for the first time, it can be R1, it can be R2, it can be R3, it can be, that router will become DR. That router will become DR. This thing is clear? As you enable OSPF on a router on a multi-access segment, that router will become DR. DR election will take place only once. DR elections will take place only once. Now, if you want to change your DR, you have to clear the OSPF process. You have to clear the OSPF process. This thing is clear? Any doubt to anybody? सब पे क्लियर करना पड़ेगा. मैं राउटर को कहूंगा OSPF प्रोसेस को रीस्टार्ट करो. क्या करो? रीस्टार्ट. दोबारा से क्या फॉर्म करो? नेबरशिप. ऐसा मैंने क्यों कहा? Why I am saying this thing, that restart your neighborship process? Because guys, DR and BDR election will take place at the end of two-way state. At the end of two-way state, DR and BDR election will take place. As we have already shared our database, so there will be no DR and BDR election again. अगर हम पहले ही नेबर बन चुके हैं, एडजेसेंसी फॉर्म कर चुके हैं, तो कभी भी दोबारा DR और BDR इलेक्शन नहीं होगा. This thing is clear? Fine. Now on what basis DR is elected, or if you have to manipulate, how you can manipulate? First thing is priority. First thing is priority on all fast Ethernet interfaces or all media whose network type is broadcast. Priority is by default 1. And for serial media, priority is by default 0. Priority is by default 0. This thing is clear? By default priority is 1. So all the routers R1, R2, R3, R4 are having priority 1. So who will win the election? Because here The tie is, there is a tie. There is a tie. Who will win the election? The router with the highest router ID will become DR. The router with the highest router ID will become DR. So who will become DR? 4.4.4.4. It means R4. This thing is clear. Any problem? Now if I enable OSPF first on R1, so who will become DR? R1. This thing is clear. This thing is fine. But we have two criteria for electing DR. One is, second is router ID. First is priority, second is highest value is always preferred. Highest value is always preferred. Any issues? Any problem to anyone? किसी को कोई इशू है तो पूछो. हाँ भाई, कोई प्रॉब्लम? Every router in OSPF domain must have unique router ID. ये कंसेप्ट. यूनिक का मतलब क्या होता है? डिफरेंट. फाइन. वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा इन्होंने. ही इज सेइंग ऑन R1 I will run the command clear IP OSPF process. So what will happen? R1 is by default DR. If you clear the OSPF process on DR and any other router is having highest priority than DR, he will never become DR. Who will become DR? BDR will always become DR. BDR will always become. It means if DR goes down, who will become new DR? BDR. And there will be elections for BDR. There will be elections for BDR. मेरे को हर राउटर पे चलाना पड़ेगा. मैं चला सकता हूँ ना, चला के दिखाऊंगा मैं आपको. At the same instant of time नहीं चला सकते. At a gap of 1-2 seconds you can run the same thing. Yes or no? Yes. So keep this thing in mind. If DR goes down, who will become new DR? BDR. Which router is elected by as BDR? Second highest priority. If priority is tie, second highest router ID. Any issues? Who will generate type 2 LSA? DR. Who will generate type 2 LSA? DR. This thing is clear. All other routers other than DR and BDR, are called as DR other routers. This thing is clear. R1, R2, R3. How many DR and BDRs will be there in this topology? See, this is the most confusing part. How many multi-access segments are there? One. This is a segment. Multi-access. Guys, multi-access segment का मतलब, meaning of multi-access segment means you are having a Ethernet. There can be two routers on that link. There can be more than two routers. This thing is clear. So this is also a Ethernet link. This is also a, and this is also a. So on this link there will be a DR and BDR election. On this link there will be a DR and on this link also there will be a DR and. So how many DR and BDR will be there? 3. DR and BDR will be equal to number of Ethernet links, because all Ethernet links are multi-access links. Guys, router will never know that I have one neighbor connected to this Ethernet link or many neighbors. So router will always try to elect DR and BDR. यार router को कभी पता नहीं होता कि भाई इस ईथरनेट लिंक पे एक नेबर कनेक्टेड है या मल्टीपल नेबर्स कनेक्टेड हैं, तभी राउटर कोशिश करता है कि हमेशा वो क्या फाइंड आउट करे, डीआर और बीडीआर। भाई समझ में आया? कोई इश्यू इसमें? आप हो तो रहे हो खोया खोया चांद, क्या हुआ, सोए नहीं रात को? गर्लफ्रेंड की याद आ रही है? फिर ऐसा मायूस सा क्यों बैठा है? अपेंडिक्स तो नहीं है? This thing is clear? Any issue? Problem? So there are, here we have how many Ethernet links? 3. How many DR and BDR elections will be there? 3. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Any problem? No. R1 will generate how many LSAs? First of all, type 1. R2 will also generate. R3 will also generate. R5 will also generate. R4 will also generate. Any problem? No. On this segment, one router will become DR. He will generate type. It can be R1, it can be R4. So, out of these two, one will generate type. Any problem? Out of these two, one will generate type 2. Out of these two, one will generate type 2. Out of these two, one will generate type 2. Any problem? So, this is how LSAs are generated in a single domain. This thing is fine. Any problem? So, if someone asks, how many LSAs are there in this domain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 LSAs will be. यार एक काम करियो ना, कॉफी पूरी ले लियो, आधी गिरा दियो, ठीक है? आधी तू पी लियो यार, बस फिर छोड़ दियो, गिरा दियो, यहाँ बच जाएगी ना, मैं तभी कह रहा था आधी लेके आइए। आधी कॉफी कैसे यार, मेरे को लगा यार बंदा खुद सोच लेगा, फिर आधी कॉफी तो कैसे ले, गिरा दूंगा आधी, ये नहीं सोचा। हाउ मेनी टाइप 1 LSAs विल बी देयर? 5. हाउ मेनी टाइप 2 विल बी देयर? 4. Any problem? Any issue? Today we have to discuss about type 3. टाइप 3 का प्रैक्टिकल करने से पहले टाइप 1 और टाइप 2 देख लें। फाइन, कितने राउटर लगाऊं? जितने आप कहोगे। जितने आप कहोगे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है 50 बोल दोगे आप। अरे भाई टोपोलॉजी बना दो। इतने बहुत हैं यार, आईपी एड्रेस पे मुझे ही देने हैं, मस्त नहीं आएगी देने तुम्हारी। ठीक है भाई, बहुत है। तो इस समय मैं थोड़ा आपको कॉस्ट मैनिपुलेशन भी बता दूंगा, राउटर कॉस्ट कैसे देखेगा। फाइन, ओ सॉरी, you have to sit here, so every time I see you I get reminded that I have to speak in English. Draw this topology in your notebooks. Right, network between 1 and 2 is 12. Network between 2 and 4 is 20. 1 and 3 is 2 and 3 is 3 and 4 is. Here we will run OSPF area 1. Fine, not 100. So guys, we will discuss all the things now related to OSPF and how communication will occur in a single area. So first of all, we have to assign IP address is visible. Done. There is a need of loopback. Okay, let's say I will create a loopback here. Interface loopback, IP address. Any problem? जब मैं पढ़ता था ना, कोई वीडियो नहीं होती थी, आपको क्लास में कमांड भी लिखनी है साथ साथ। आपके पास तो फैसिलिटी इतनी है, कुछ देख रहे हैं सिर्फ यहाँ बैठ के क्या चल रहा है। देखो बहुत ध्यान से, जहां समझ में ना आए वहां पूछो। फाइन, किस पे चलेंगे अब? राउटर 2 पे। कौन टी इंटरफेस FA0/ IP एड्रेस, serial 0/, no, there is nothing like serial 0/0, there is serial 1/, serial 1/ IP address. Yes, 23. Show IP interface. Any issue? Check it. We are right or wrong? Correct? R3. Yes. 1300. 2300. No. 1/. 3400. Any issue? Show IP interface. Brief. Any problem? Last router I have not created any loopback on 2 and 3, if you remember. Fine. On R4, interface, serial 1/IP address. FA0/IP address. 34.0.0. Any issue? I am creating a loopback here. Fold dot at /32. Now guys, look here. On R1, how I will enable OSPF? First command to enable OSPF. Router OSPF 1. Router OSPF. This command will enable OSPF on the router. Let's check. What is the command to check what are the protocols I am running on the router? अरे लिखा जाता है कई बार गलत, कुछ नहीं होता. Show IP. Protocol is OSPF. Outgoing update filter list. Leave first 2 line, third line. Why router ID is selected as 1.1.1.1? Because of highest loopback address. Because of highest loopback. If now interface loopback 100 IP address, show IP interface free. What I have done? I have created one more loopback. Show IP. Router ID is still 1.1.1.1. This thing is clear? Any problem? This thing is clear? Router ID is elected only 1. Now, router, 1. First network that I have to advertise, network 12.0.0.1, 0.0.0.0. What do you mean by this thing? Match this particular IP when you are enabling OSPF. Match this particular IP when you are enabling. So router will match this exact IP. If this exact IP is matched on the interface, only then OSPF will be enabled. If this IP is not matched, OSP will not be. Because 0.0.0.0 means match all bits. Match all bits. This thing is clear? भाई इसका मतलब है सारी बिट्स को मैच करना है. और इसकी जगह मैं ये लिखता, what do you mean by this thing? Match only first 3 octets. Please don't care for the value in the. It can be 12.0.0.100 also. It can be 12.0.0.200 also. For all the IPs, OSPF will be enabled. समझ में आई इतनी बात? पक्का? हाँ भाई. समझ में आई ये बात? पक्का? यार मैं पूछना समझ में नहीं आई तो किसके लिए है बात? घर जाके भी तो सोचेगा ही. R1. I assigned here IP 12.0.0.1. I want to enable OSPF on this interface. First option, I can write it as 12.0.0.0, 0.255.255.255. What do you mean by this thing? Router will only match. अब राउटर ने मैच किया, पहला ऑक्टेट मैच हो गया, तो राउटर ने एनेबल क्या कर दिया इस पे? OSPF. दूसरा केस 12.0.0.0, 0.0.255. अब राउटर कितने ऑक्टेट मैच करेगा? पहले दो मैच हो गए, राउटर ने एनेबल क्या कर दिया इस पे? अब मैंने तीसरी बार क्या किया? 12.0.0.0, 0.0.0. This time how many octets I am matching? 3 octets. 3 ऑक्टेट मैच हो गए, राउटर ने एनेबल क्या कर दिया? अब मैंने चौथी बार क्या किया? 0.0.0. अब राउटर will match this particular IP. If you have assigned IP 12.0.0.100, it will never match this thing. Why? Sorry, it will never match this thing. Why? Because you are saying router to match all 4 octets, but in this case it will be matched because 3 octets will be matched. ठीक है भाई, 3 ऑक्टेट इस केस में मैच हो जाएंगे, लेकिन इस केस में मैच नहीं होंगे. हाँ भाई, क्या नाम है आपका? समझ में आया अब? After that, one thing is compulsory. Area. What is that thing? Which area it belongs to? Second network. 13.0.0.1 0.0.0. एरिया. अब अगर इंटरफेस पे आईपी उसको मिलेगी 13.0.0.1, then only it will enable OSPF. I am repeating the same thing in Hindi. Fine. Third network, my loopback network, 1.1.1.0.0.0. area. OSPF is enabled on which interfaces? Show IP OSPF interface brief. Show IP OSPF interface. See, on which interfaces OSPF is enabled? On loopback, 1. Process ID is, area is 1. For which IP it is enabled? Any problem? Second interface, FA1/ process ID, area, IP address, cost is, these are the costs related to the interface. This thing is clear? Do we have any neighbors on these interfaces till now? No. This thing is clear? यार समराइज नहीं किया. 13 का नेटवर्क देखो ना कैसा है. शो रन इंटरफेस FA1/0 देखो ना. /80 तो है, /80 तो है. चेक द सेकंड नेटवर्क. शो रन interface FA0/. You are defining network on /8. That's why he is representing it /8. This thing is clear. Now show IP protocols. See here, you are enabling it for the particular IP, and here you are enabling it for the particular network. Both belongs to which area? 1. Maximum path is 4. Number of areas on this router is 1, and 1 is the normal area. Normal area means other than area 0. Reference bandwidth unit is 100 Mbps. AD for OSPF is 110. Clear? Now we will come on conft router OSPF. Which process? Any process you can run. I am running here 2. As I run the OSPF process, first thing that will be elected is router ID. Let me check the router ID. Show IP protocols. What is the router ID? 2400. Let me check the interface IPs I have assigned. One is 12, one is 24, other is. So what is the highest IP address? Now you say that I don't want this 2400 to be my router ID. So you can set it manually. Router OSPF 2. Router ID 2.2.2.2. This thing is clear to everybody? But if you create a new loopback here with the highest IP address, it will never be elected as router ID. Router ID once elected can only be changed with the help of manual router ID. We discussed this thing. This thing is clear. So this time router ID will be 2.2.2.2. Fine. वही कल बताया था ना. It is not necessary that router ID is present on router or not. You can assign it as a router ID. अब second way, first way to enable OSPF on an interface is by using a network command. Second way, you can directly enable OSPF on an interface by using interface command. By using, go to the interface FA0/0. Right here IP OSPF process number 2. Which area it belongs to? 1. Which area it belongs to? Go to interface serial 1/. I got the neighborship up. Status. Any problem? Serial 1/1. IP OSPF 2 area 1. Because this interface belong to which process? 2 and which area? 1. IP OSPF 2 area. Any problem? Now, if you run show IP protocols now, what you will be able to see? See, this time in routing for networks, there is no entry. No entry, but routing on interfaces configured. For which area? Which interfaces are there? This thing is clear. Now you can see here my gateway is distances. Any problem? Go to R1, show IP protocols. My gateway is 2.2.2.2. Any problem? Distances. For all the routes I am receiving for this gateway, AD will be 110. So similarly, I will run OSPF on R3 also. So what method you will prefer? By using network command or by using interface command? By using? Okay. Router OSPF 3. Router ID 3.3.3. Network 1300 30.0.0.0 area 1 network 2300 30.0.0.0 area 1 network 34.0.0.30.0.0.0 area. Show IP protocols. Router ID is 3.3.3.3. I have two gateways. Who are my gateways? 2.2.2.2 and 1.1.1. For 3 networks I am doing routing 13003, 23003 and 3400. So you can check it by using the command show IP OSPF interface brief. For 3 interfaces you are running OSPF. And guys, this wait state means that I am waiting for the elections on this particular interface. Which interface? FA1/, which is FA1/0? This interface between R3 and R4. Because till now there are no elections between R3 and R4. Why? Because we have not configured OSPF on R4. कहाँ? फास्ट ईथरनेट लिंक के लिए, क्योंकि फास्ट ईथरनेट लिंक की बैंडविड्थ क्या होती है बाय डिफॉल्ट? 100 Mbps. 100 Mbps and upon 100 Mbps value will be 1. This thing is clear? Router OSPF 4. Router ID network I have created a loopback here also, if you remember. 2400 area. Next network 3400 4 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot. Sorry. Area. Any problem? Show IP OSPF interface brief. On how many interfaces I am running OSPF? See now. According to you, how many type 1 LSAs will be there? How many type 2 LSAs will be there? 3. This thing is fine. You want to see? Show IP OSPF interface. Next command, FA0/0. If you want to check a particular interface, you can check it like this. See, on this particular interface, IP address is this, area is, router ID is, process ID is, this network type is. Why broadcast? Because this is a fast Ethernet. Cost is, priority is, as we have discussed. By default for OSPF fast Ethernet interfaces, priority is, its state is, DR is 1.1.1. See, this is the router ID of DR. This is the, and this is the IP address because of which it has become DR. It has become, this thing is clear? भाई ये मेरे DR के interface की IP है. I will show you a practical with a switch also. That with a switch 4 routers are connected. How there will be DR and BDR election. See what thing he is showing. R1, this is a switch. Let's say this is R2. He is telling DR is 1.1.1.1, but DR IP address is 12.0.0.1. This thing is clear? So here he is giving the information of interface IP address. Interface IP address. This thing is clear? So BDR is 2.2.2.2 and interface IP address of BDR is 12.0.0.2. Hello time is, dead is 40. This thing is clear. Now read this line. See, what is neighbor count and what is adjacent neighbor count? Neighbor count means with how many neighbors I have formed two-way state. And adjacent neighbor count means with how many neighbors I have formed adjacency. I have formed adjacency. This thing is clear? Neighbor count का मतलब है कि कितने neighbors के साथ मैंने कौन सी state बनाई है? Two way. कि कितने के साथ मैं neighbor हूं? और neighbor adjacent neighbor count का क्या मतलब है? कि कितनों के साथ मैंने adjacency form की है. Adjacency form करने का मतलब database exchange हुआ है. कितने neighbors के साथ. This thing is clear? So if I took an example, here we have 4 routers, R3 and R4. Let's say R1 is DR. So R1 will be having neighbor count as 4 and adjacent neighbor count also has, because it will form adjacency with all other routers. But if I talk about R3, let's say BDR is R4. So for R3, neighbor count is 3. Sorry, here it will be 3. For R3, neighbor count will be 3, but adjacent neighbor count will be 2, because it will only form adjacency with DR and BDR, never with other DR. Other. This thing is clear? दोबारा बता रहा हूं. अगर ये स्विच है, इसके साथ 4 राउटर कनेक्टेड है, 1 2 3 4. This is DR and this is BDR. For R1, neighbor count is, adjacent neighbor count is also 3. For R2, neighbor count is 3. Adjacent neighbor count is also 3. For R3, neighbor count is 3. But adjacent neighbor count is 2. Why 2? Because it will only exchange database with R1 and never with, because between R3 and R4 state will be two-way. Same case goes with R4. For R4, neighbor count will be 3, but adjacent neighbor count will be 2. This thing is clear? Show IP OSPF. Who is my neighbor? 2.2.2.2. Priority of neighbor is, state is, the neighbor is BDR. It means who is DR? Me. If I am showing neighbor is BDR, it means who is DR? I am the DR. I have just shown you, man. DR is 1.1.1.1. This thing is clear? See now about this time. This time will again start when it moves to 30. Sorry. After every 10 seconds I am receiving hello. I am receiving hello. So this timer will reset after every 10 seconds. Now here you can see what thing? Address of neighbor. Address of, why address of neighbor is necessary? Because I told you in the beginning that it is not necessary that router ID is a existing IP of neighbor. That's why address for neighbor is 12.0.0.2. This thing is clear? On which interface I have discovered the neighbor? Fast Ethernet 1/0 and Fast Ethernet 0/0. Now if I move on to R2, show IP OSPF interface serial 0/1/1. What thing you can see here? Network type is? Cost is? Is there any information of DR and BDR? No, there is no information of DR and neighbor count is? Adjacent neighbor count is also 1. Show IP OSPF neighbors. How many neighbors are there? How many neighbors are there? Four dot 4 and 3.3. Wait. Now see. For R2, R4 is the neighbor, priority is. R3 is the neighbor, priority is. Because these interfaces are serial. On serial interfaces, priority is 0. For R1, priority is 1, state is full. I am the DR. R2 is saying for R1. R1 is the DR. R1 is DR. Interface IP, and these are the interfaces on which these neighbors are discovered. These are the interfaces on which these neighbors are discovered. Any issue? Now we will go for database. Show IP OSPF. How many database are there? Total, count it. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any problem? What we have counted? Count again. How many type 1 analysis will be there? How many type 2 will be there? Okay. Concentrate here now. Show IP OSPF database is the command to check the database on router. OSPF router with router ID, process ID, router link state, area 1. Link ID means, router link state means router LSA, or you can say type 1 LSA. What is the first information? Link ID. I told you every router will create a database and it will represent its database with its own. He is representing its database with its own Who is the advertising router for this database? The router itself. So every router advertise this LSA with its own router ID. हमने कल बात की थी कि एक राउटर क्या बनाता है, अपने डेटाबेस के लिए एक आईडी बनाता है जिसको क्या बोलते हैं, राउटर आईडी, और एडवर्टाइज भी खुद करता है. तो राउटर के लिए डेटाबेस की आईडी और एडवर्टाइजिंग राउटर की आईडी हमेशा क्या होती है, सेम. सेकंड थिंग इज एज. Second thing is age. Next thing is on how many links I am running OSPF? 3. On how many links? 3. 1, 2 and the loopback is the third link. Fine. 2.2.2.2. Advertising router is 2.2.2.2. There is a sequence number. Link count is why? But on R2 I am running on OSPF on this and only on 3 interfaces. Why it is showing 5? Always keep this thing in mind. OSPF will count serial interface as 2 links. Serial interface as 2 links. Because on serial link, for a particular serial link, there are 2 informations in type 1 LSA. 1, neighbor reachable from that link, and second, what network you are running on that link. देखो, what I am saying, in the case of fast Ethernet, in which case? Fast Ethernet. For the information, how many neighbors are reachable on the particular link, I have a separate LSA called type 2 LSA. I have a separate LSA called type 2 LSA for the information of how many neighbors are reachable on the particular link. But on serial interfaces, all information is included in the type 1 LSA. So for a serial interface, 2 informations are there. What are those 2 informations? 1, neighbor reachable on that link. Second, what network you are running on that link. So whenever OSPF will count a serial link, it will count it as 2. So 2 and 1, number of links will be 5. For R3, number of links will be 4. For R4, number of links will be 4. How 4? 2, 3 and 1 loop back. 4. Fine. Now net link state. Net link state means network LSA. Network type 2. This thing is clear. First, you can see here, who is the DR on this segment? 12001 is the DR. It means link ID is showing you the IP address of DR. Link ID is showing you IP address of who is advertising this LSA 1.1.1.1. On this link, who is the DR? 13001. Who is advertising this LSA 1.1.1.1? Because 13001 and 12001 IP addresses of same router. So advertising router is same. Guys, 13001 और 12001 एक ही राउटर के क्या हैं, आईपी एड्रेसेस. तो दोनों के लिए एडवर्टाइजिंग राउटर भी क्या है, सेम. नेक्स्ट थिंग, ऑन दिस लिंक हु इज द डीआर? 34003. सो हु इज एडवर्टाइजिंग टाइप 2 LSA? 3.3.3.3. क्लियर भाई, समझ में आया? देखो, सीक्वेंस नंबर भी सेम होगा हर राउटर पे LSAs का. सीक्वेंस नंबर इज ऑल्सो सेम. कोई इशू भाई किसी को? एनी इशू? This thing is clear. Now, what is our diagram? R1, R2, R1, R2, R3. This is our diagram. Cost here is, it is 1, it is 1, it is 64, it is 64, it is 1. So whenever R4 has to reach R2, which path it will choose? This path, agree? Because cost is less. So you can verify this thing. whenever R1 has to reach R4, which path it will use? This path. If you wanted to use this path, what you will do? You will increase the cost here. You will define here cost 65. So it will use which path? The upper path. This thing is clear? You want to check this thing? So R1, if R1 want to reach R4, trace route 4.4. Which path it is using? 13003 and 34004. Clear? Why? Show IP route OSPF. What is the cost to reach 4.4.4.4? Cost is 1 of the loopback and 2 from the path. भाई 1 किसकी होगी? इस loopback की. एक इसकी और एक 1 plus 1 plus cost will be 3. If you want to change, what you can do? Cost is always added on the receiving interface. So what you can do is conf t interface fa 1/0. Which interface is 1/0? This interface. You can see what you will do. IP OSPF cost 65. 65. Show IP route OSPF. Again it is same 13003. Now it is 12002. Now it is 12002 and cost is 66. Because from this side I will get 1 plus 1 plus 65. It will be 67. Here from here I will get 64. 1 and 1. This thing is clear? 64 plus 1 plus 1, 66 plus, but from this side I will get 60. So it will always use the shortest path. Fine? Any problem? Now guys, if you remember, yesterday we have discussed one thing, that OSPF will use two multicast address, 224.0.0.5 and 224.0.0.6. Remember? Now, whenever R1 will send a, सुन लो यार, whenever R1 will send a hello or update, if R1 is DR or BDR, fine, it will always send it on 224.0.0.5. This link can be serial also. All exchange will be on the same address 224.0.0.5. But if this router is DR other, this router is R1, R2, R3, R4. Guys, tell me one thing. DR other is forming neighborship only with which router? DR and BDR. So whenever it will send an update, it will send it on which address? 224.0.0.6, because on this particular address, who can listen? DR and BDR. It means if this guy is sending the update and DR other is receiving the update, because switch will always broadcast it, this router will never take update directly from this guy. It will be sent it to the DR. Now DR will again flood the update as 224.0.0.5 and he will, other DR other will get update from DR, not directly from DR. अदर। मैंने ये रूल क्यों बनाया? वाई आई हैव वन अदर मल्टीकास्ट एड्रेस, वेन एवर डी आर अदर विल सेंड अ अपडेट, ही विल ऑलवेज सेंड अ मल्टीकास्ट अपडेट। इफ इट विल सेंड इट एट 2 to 4 डॉट, अगर वो सेंड करता 224.0.0.5 पे, तो जितने भी राउटर मल्टी एक्सेस सेगमेंट में कनेक्टेड थे सबको मिल जाता, अपडेट डायरेक्टली मिल जाता सबको, और सारे वापस क्या कर देते उसको, फ्लड करते। सारे अपने नेबर को भेजने की भी तो सोचते। इस प्रॉब्लम को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए मैंने क्या किया, एक और मल्टीकास्ट एड्रेस बनाया 224.0.0.6। whenever dr other will send an update, he will send it at 224.0.0. कि बाकी राउटर अदर देन dr and bdr will cannot listen to this अपडेट, बाकी राउटर इस अपडेट को सुन ना पाए। कौन सुन पाए? सिर्फ dr और bdr, और बाकी सारे राउटर को इंफॉर्मेशन कौन दे? dr और bdr। This thing is clear? So whenever dr other router has to send an update, he will send it at 224.0.0.6 because only dr can listen on this update. dr can listen for this update, sorry, dr can listen for this update. Fine. Now this is a multi-access segment. We will see how dr and bdr will work. Clear? IP address is 12.0.0.1. IP address is 12.0.0.1. Now router OSPF1 network. What this command will do? On all the active interfaces, show IP OSPF interface brief. It is activated. It is waiting for the elections. It will wait for 40 seconds and it will become DR. हो जा भाई, 40 सेकंड नहीं हुए अब तक। ओके फक इट। R5 इंटरफेस FA0/0 IP एड्रेस, नो राउटर OSPF नेटवर्क एरिया इंटरफेस FA0/IP एड्रेस 12.0.0. फाइन। एरिया इंटरफेस FA0/ राउटर OSPF Now guys, this is my diagram. Come on R6. See now. Show IP OSPF neighbor. How many neighbors are there? 12002 is BDR. 12003 is 12004 is DR. Now show IP OSPF interface FA0/0. My neighbor count is, my adjacent neighbor count is always also. Why? Because I am the DR. DR is 1200. This time router ID is also 1200(1) and interface IP is also 1200(1). This thing is clear. Now he's showing who is BDR. Show IP OSPF database. Yes. How many databases will be there? Type 1, type 2, type 2. Who will generate it? DR. Any problem? Link ID means IP address of DR. Advertising router means router ID of DR. This thing is clear. And how many type 1 LSAs are there? How many links I am running OSPF? Only on one fucking link. Any problem? No. I will go to R7. Show IP OSPF database. Same thing, same database. Show IP OSPF neighbor. Now see, one neighbor is 1200(1) DR, one neighbor is 1200(2), other neighbor is DR other. State is 2. Any issues? Any issues? No. Show IP OSPF interface FA0/0. How many neighbor count is there? 3. Adjacent neighbor count is 2. Why 2? Because it will form adjacency only with DR and BDR. Clear? Same thing you can check on R. Yes. Same thing. Any problem? कोई issue? I am creating an update from R8. Debug IP OSPF events. I am on R6. Debug IP OSPF events. Debug IP OSPF LSA generation. Send hello to. It means every hello will be sent at which address? 224.0.0.5. R6 is a BDR router. How to check it? You can check here. R6 is DR, sorry. R6 is. So if I create a loopback here, 1.1.1.1, it will be automatically advertised in OSPF because I am running which command? 0.0.0.0. Fine. Forget. Wait. Wait. R6 is DR. I am generating an update from DR again. इंटरफेस लूप बैक टू आईपी एड्रेस. नाउ इसको देखना है, ध्यान से देखना अब, क्योंकि ये चीज मैं बार बार नहीं दिखाऊंगा. ये क्वेश्चन का जवाब मैं तभी दे रहा हूं, इन्होंने पूछा था. कोई पूछता ना तो मैं 224.0.0.6 के बारे में डिस्कस ही नहीं करता, क्योंकि जब तक आपने कंसर्न नहीं दिखाया मैंने बताया नहीं. मैग्नीफायर खुल जा बड़क. हाँ भाई, सबसे पहली बात 12001 इज डीआर. He's sending update at which address? 12003 is DR other. When he is giving acknowledgement, he is giving acknowledgement at which address? Any update or acknowledgement sent by DR other will be sent at 224.0.0.6 because this address can only be listened by DR and BDR. इस एड्रेस को कौन सुन सकता है? डीआर और बीडीआर. कैसे वेरीफाई कराऊंगा मैं इस बात को आपको? होना तो चाहिए शो आईपी ओएसपीएफ इंटरफेस FA0/0. नहीं, शो आईपी इंटरफेस FA0/0. कौन से एड्रेस को सुन रहा है? 5 को भी, और क्योंकि ये क्या है? बिकॉज दिस इज डीआर. शो आईपी इंटरफेस FA0/0. कौन सा ग्रुप ज्वाइन किया? सिर्फ 224.0.0.5. एग्री? DR other will always join which group? Only one group, because they can only listen to 224.0.0.5. But DR and BDR will always listen to two groups, 224.0.0.5 and 6. What is the command to verify? Show IP interface brief. आज मैं आपको टाइप 3 नहीं पढ़ा रहा, क्योंकि मेरे को लगता नहीं यू आर कैपेबल इनफ टू नो अबाउट टाइप 3.